Hi guys, so I'm just going to run you through the step-by-step process as to how I've been submitting articles through my article network. So I'm actually inside the dashboard, so I'm just going to quickly go into manage my articles, and you can see there's a whole bunch of articles I've submitted over the last month. And as I said in my post, that most of these articles are actually pre-spun articles using simply PLR. I highly recommend that service. It's a great way to get cheap articles, pre-spun articles for SEO purposes. So let's just have a look at submitting an article and how actually I've been embedding my links before I submit them. So I'm going to quickly click on add. So I've already got an article which is pasted onto my clipboard, so I'm just simply going to paste that into the window here. So you can see the my article in fact is a slightly different format. Instead of the straight line, it's got it uses a slightly different format. So now you can see the articles in there. So normally what I'll do is I'll actually so this article is on DVD Planet. I can come up with the title something like "Top Rent maybe how to get great DVD deals from DVD Planet." And mostly I would, in most submissions, I will actually go and spin this title. So every time there's a new submission of this spun article, it also gets a unique title. Then you can select your category and subcategories. Now just to the going back to the link, embedding the links. So in this one, let's say my anchor text is or my keyword is DVD Planet. So what I'll do is I'll go click here to learn, or this is probably better, visit this site to get great DVD Planet coupons. Cool. So this is my anchor text or my keyword, DVD Planet. So in this case I'm just going to use the exact match and then simply embed the URL to the site you want this link to point to. So that's number one. And I sort of normally space my links at about 150 words, and most of these articles are about 450 to 500 words, so you shouldn't have too much problem spacing the links out correctly. So I've just gone in the middle of the article, and just here I'm just going to go click here to learn to get great DVD deals from DVD Planet, and then click here is my anchor text, which is a random anchor text, and then I'll point that to a separate niche site. This is important that you don't embed links to the same website, because essentially what Google's going to do is they will, if you've got two links pointing from the same submission to the same site, the first one is going to be valid, so you're going to get SEO juice from the first one, but the second one is just going to be disregarded. So I would suggest that never submit point two URLs to the same site from the same submission. So that's number two. And then number three, visit this site for great deals on DVD rentals. And in this case I'm going to make visit this site my anchor text, and then just simply embed the URL to your third site. So that's it, and that's pretty much what I've been using, and it's been giving me really good results. So essentially, so this is one of the, as I said in the post, I'll go and submit 9 variations of this. So if I'm using 3 URLs in this set of submission, each one of the URLs should get a good mix of exact match, partial match, and random. and it's been working really well. If you continue reading my course, you'll see some proof of some of the rankings I've been getting, and it's I highly recommend using this strategy and to test it on one of your niche sites. And well, yeah, that's it. So hope you enjoy the video.